Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we dissect and analyze the latest gadgets and gizmos to help you make informed purchasing decisions.
Today, we're diving into the world of fitness accessories with a closer look at the Amzpas Magnetic Band compatible with Fitbit Charge 6 and Charge 5. Now, before we jump into the details, let's talk compatibility.
This band is specifically designed for the Fitbit Charge 6 and Charge 5 models, so if you're rocking one of these trackers, you're in luck.
Just a heads up,
it won't work with the Charge 4, 3, 2, or SE. So make sure you've got the right Fitbit before hitting that buy button. One of the first things you'll notice about this band is the variety of colors available. Whether you're into classic black or want to add a pop of color to your wrist, there's something here for everyone.
Plus, the stainless steel mesh design gives it a sleek and modern look that's sure to turn heads. But looks aren't everything. Let's talk functionality.
The Amzpas Magnetic Band features a magnetic clasp that makes it a breeze to adjust the size to fit your wrist perfectly. No more struggling with traditional buckles or clasps, just a quick and easy adjustment, and you're good to go.
Now, let's address the elephant in the room, durability. We've heard some concerns about stability and performance from a few users, but in our testing, we found that the band stayed securely in place, even during rigorous workouts. Of course, your mileage may vary, but overall, we're impressed with the build quality and construction of this band. In terms of value, the Amzpas Magnetic Band is priced competitively, especially when compared to similar offerings on the market. And with a 30-day return policy, you can rest easy knowing that if it's not the perfect fit for you, you can send it back, no questions asked. So, what's the final verdict? If you're in the market for a stylish and functional replacement band for your Fitbit Charge 6 or Charge 5,
the Amzpas Magnetic Band is definitely worth considering.
With its variety of colors, comfortable design, and easy adjustability,
it's a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their fitness tracker game.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy tracking.